Hi there, here are the answers to the pie chart question. Let me go through all of them. So here you've got how many different desserts did the girls choose? Well, you're just counting up the number of sectors, so there are 4. The fraction, what fraction of the girls preferred pie? Now, as you can see, these are all different sizes apart from the cookies and the pie. So you need to kind of imagine or to include drawing the shapes in, so to make them the same size. So cake, as you can see, I can, if it's going to let me do it, I can draw in here an extra line. No, it's not going to let me do it. So I could draw in an extra line here, just imagine here. So the cake would be 2 pieces the same size as the pie and the cookie. And if you've got the cupcake here, you can see that I can draw a line in here to cut it in half. Ooh, I've never done that before. So you can see that this piece here is 1/8 of the pie, yeah? And you can see this piece here, it will be the same as having 4 of these inside it, okay? So a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces if they were all the same size. So hence why you come up with 1/8, yeah? And then we've got the fraction of girls that prefer cupcakes. We could say, well, this is half of a pie, so we end up with a half, okay? Which is the same as 4/8, yeah, which can cancel down to this. Right, this side here, you need to imagine that this piece here can fit in twice to the wages, and this piece here can fit in twice to the rent. So these are the same size, and these two here are double the size of heating or the others. So what fraction of the budget is spent on wages? So you've got wages here. You can either see it as, well, this whole pie here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, yeah? So wages would have 2 out of 6, yeah? Or you can measure it and know that this is 120 degrees out of a total 360. This is where we got this. But I prefer to look at the shape here and see how many pieces of the same size would fit in. So you'd end up with 2 out of 6, but if you cancel that down, you end up with 1/3, okay? How much money is spent on wages? Well, you've got your total here as 54,000, and you need to divide it by 3 because it's a third, yeah? So working out a third is to divide by 3, hence why you end up with 18,000. And then finally, what fraction of the budget is spent on heating and lighting? Well, this is 1 out of 6, and if you measure it, it's 60 degrees out of 360. And that's it. Hopefully that helped. Bye.